how to change age on Brawl Stars. The first things first is we actually have two specific method that we can go ahead and use. So the first method is via the Brawl Stars application. So once you have logged into your account, just simply click or tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you're here, just go directly to settings and tap on your Supercell ID. From here, just go to the gear icon at the top right corner of your profile picture. Now, if you go ahead and scroll down, there is actually no option for us to be able to directly change our age. Now, the first method that we can do is to go ahead and contact the Supercell customer support. Just go to your phone's homepage and pull up any browser from your device. And for you to be able to get here, all you have to do is just type in Brawl Stars customer support and just simply choose on the first link right here, which is going to be contact form. Now once you're here, all you have to do is to log into your Supercell ID or to your Supercell account and just choose under category on something else. And then from here, just type in your account name or your player tag, your email address, and your message is going to be, please help me change my age for uh, mistypo error. So the second thing that you can use if these steps or if this method is too lengthy for you, then you go back to the game and what you want to do from here is just to log out to your current account. Now, if you will log out to your current account and make another account, it will route you directly to the very beginning of the game. Then all you have to do is just customize the age that you wanted to use and you are good to go. So that's it. Those are the steps on how you can change age on Brawl Stars.